Unveiling data insights with bubble charts, done by Miss Iman Ebrahim and supervised by Dr. Maqsood Mahmud. Data visualization is a powerful tool for understanding complex information. In this presentation, we will explore the bubble chart, a popular visualization technique used to represent and analyze data. Bubble charts offer a visually engaging way to display three variables simultaneously, two numeric variables and one categorical variable. What is a bubble chart? A bubble chart represents data points as bubbles or circles on a Cartesian coordinate system. The horizontal and vertical axes represent the two numeric variables, while the size of each bubble represents the third categorical variable. Larger bubbles indicate higher values of the categorical variable, allowing for quick comparisons across the dataset. Components of a bubble chart. X-axis represents the first numeric variable or independent variable. Y-axis represents the second numeric variable or dependent variable. Bubble size represents the third categorical variable, often indicating frequency, magnitude, or importance. Color, optionally, colors can be used to represent additional information or a fourth variable. Benefits of bubble charts. Visualizing three variables simultaneously, bubble charts enable the representation of three different dimensions of data in a single visualization. Easy comparison, bubble sizes allow for quick comparisons of the categorical variable across data points. Visual patterns and outliers, bubble charts can reveal patterns, clusters, and outliers in the data, aiding in data exploration and analysis. Best practices for bubble charts. Use appropriate scaling. Ensure that the bubble sizes are scaled appropriately to represent the categorical variable accurately. Provide clear labels. Label the bubbles and axes to provide context and enhance understanding. Use colors thoughtfully. If using colors, ensure they are meaningful and convey additional information without confusing. Bubble charts are a versatile and powerful data visualization technique. They provide a concise representation of three variables, enabling quick comparisons and pattern recognition. By leveraging bubble charts, we can gain valuable insights and make informed decisions based on complex data. Thank you very much for your attention and listening.